Hi, are Nvidia drivers consuming too much space on your computer? Now, I'm going through the scenario where my C is almost gone. Obviously, my D is almost gone as well. But C is of value because it kind of influences how programs are run on your computer and all that. And I actually tried to run Camtasia. I had about a couple of MBs, and it's not possible to record anything with MBs on C. So, I was also trying to update Nvidia Studio Driver, and I got a notification of I need to free up space and all that. So one thing is, I know for a fact this space somewhere, and I actually looked up on Reddit, and Nvidia drivers taking too much space. Now the question is, where do you remove them? So when I came here, I saw somebody, a user by Gabo Legradi, mentioned a year ago that if it downloads installers and extracts them and keeps some old versions there as well. So this particular link right here, if you copy it, you can actually safely delete this. And I can see a ton of people saying thank you. It was 24 GB for me, brother, you just freed up 59 GB for me. As you can see, a ton of things. You saved my 8.9, man, thank you so much, and all that. So I decided to try the same, and let's do that. I'll just paste this right there, press on enter, and if you hover over this, you'll probably see post-processing and all that. If I actually right click and check on properties, you can see 18.8 GB right there. If I click on UpdateFrameworks, ota-artifacts, that's what I want, 18.8 GB. I'll click on that and press on Shift delete to delete all those artifacts right there and free up a ton of space. Now I'm mentioning this so we can actually close this. Let's see, try again. I know I need to, there we go. Now if we go back to Windows, my computer, I now have 22.4 GB free of 237. Now does GeForce run? Let's see. Let's broadcast. What about GeForce? Nvidia app. Yes, it still runs. You can still do what you need to do with the apps, but the space that was being consumed by GeForce, more or less the old artifacts, is gone. And that is how you can save yourself some space by deleting Nvidia drivers that are more or less in what we call old artifacts. So if Nvidia drivers are taking too much space, you know what to do. Thanks to all the people that mentioned here. This was 5 years ago, and a comment came in a year ago, more or less. That is May 28th, 2025, and it's more or less a solution, and it just saved me about 18.8 GB. And as you can see all these things right here, and it's just all compliments. I'll leave this in the description below so that you can see what you need to do if you find yourself in a situation where Nvidia drivers are taking too much space. Thanks for watching, and I hope you save yourself some space.